Yes, so. Now, welcome back. Now, still on top of the late night show. All right. Don't forget to jam us on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. Reach there, make una comments. Now, we want to enter into some acting P. Okay, for the two girls they want to get for ground, we want to test their acting skills today. All right, so we get one of our baby wanted to with the inside the building. Hauwa they hair. So on the very, very beautiful and a natural pin, Hauwa day. So now the idea is CY and Tuale go try to scope Hauwa. All right, we'll come put music for the background later, and so then go try to sing the song to her to try win her heart. Finally, Hauwa will come decide who do the work pass for the two of them before the show end. All right, so this one will be very, very specific something. All right, so easy bit. You don't ready? So don't put a music on the background. All right, so for now maybe the director of this movie, and now we don't start every. So our first contestants, CY.
Hauwa. What's up? How are you doing now? You're looking beautiful,
Are you scared? You dey fear? Talk, make I hear what you want to talk.
I dey assess you. You
dey assess me with that glasses when I carry for face.
Okay. You won't see fine boy. Man. Now these glasses, they block me since.
It is well with you.
See your hair. Oh. Sorry, you be church things. This one the way you take the wrap, your skin fresh, oh.
Thank you.
Have fun now. I feel like roll things with you.
Roll waiting.
Waiting, I mean, I don't mean say you go be roll on, no. Just say.
No, I be toothpaste.
I go like make two of us rub mine, like run things.
Don't be mind. I don't rub your mind. I hear it.
May I hold your hand?
No, spoil my market, I beg. You know where another person they pass.
Oh, now market you they sell or?
No, now mine that they sell.
No, we know now. No, they come for serious things.
You want roll. Now bake you want roll, I be now crawl, you want roll.
They come for serious things. Calm down, baby.
No be you I talk, they talk, but I say you get wife and picking them. And you won't come do it.
No be.
Okay, now pretend. You see, you know if we get.
Now wow, you have show.
Not today.
Now what for you? I don't know. Say now so the thing take you.
Go ready. Come
we
back.
go see Sha.
Go run, go come ready.
Hey, now wow.
All right, so that are the first act. Now we'll get our second act now. Tuale go enter come do his own thing. Make we see in toasting skills. Tuale. Baby. Baby. Make I see that side. Oh, my baby. Baby. Yes. Baby, how now? How you doing? How come only you just sit down here like this alone? I just a pass. I say make I come, make I come keep you company. You understand? You be fine girl. I get enough time to spend with you, if you don't mind. So, I feel stay with you a bit. Nice one. Baby, you see, make I tell you something. Fine girl like you need fine man for your life. Man we go fit take care of you. Man we go make your mind cool. You no go dey worry yourself at all. I dey tell you, man like me, I get experience. You don't understand? I get experience to take care of you. Anything way you want at all, I go give them to you.
Anything?
Anything.
Now see the car, your car key. Baby, show me your car key.
I get driver.
Show me your car key.
My driver, they outside, inside car.
This is how two of us think, so say, I don't know.
Baby, forget. I get product. If you see my product, you go know what you would like to talk about. You understand? I love you, baby. Don't worry, I dey come back. I get something one I don't prepare for you to prove to you say true. I'm serious.
I
So I dey come back,
Okay, sir. No problem, sir.
If I come back now, I go still meet you, Abby?
Yes, sir.
Good, baby.
Thank you.
Sweet baby.
You know, that time I did talk to you.
Shining stars across the skies. The most beautiful girl I've seen in all my life. Yeah. Every second spent with you. It's like a day that starts brand new.
Stop it, stop it.
I'm so amazed at all the things you do. Yes, I want to build my whole world around you. Yeah. Hey. So I promise you forever.
I never expected that from you. So why didn't you behave yourself then? The other time when you carry yourself come here.
Ìyàwó mi, olólùfẹ́ mi, ẹ̀yọ̀ mi, I will love you. Oh yeah. Ìyàwó mi, olólùfẹ́ mi, I will love you. Oh my God, you just scatter my brain.
Tuale, come on.
Yeah.
When you're by my side, I can't do anything. You're my best friend, you're my lover. Without you, no one else would do.
For me?
I'm begging for you. Oh.
Yes, I wanna be my whole world
Around you.
So I promise you forever and
Never. Oh, my baby one. Baby. Ìyàwó mi, olólùfẹ́ mi, aláìní mi, I will love you forever. Oh, baby. Hi, sweet baby. Stainless baby. Aláìní mi, I will love you forever. My baby. You are my sunshine, my darling,
my essence. There's no one like you.
baby.
My baby. And you are my sunshine. My lover, my essence. There's no one like you.
See, baby. I love you. I will love you forever, baby.
All right,
did.
cut. All right,
Wait,
so
not the carried person wait till pass me, make the ask you.
wait, happen.
He
Okay,
got the
wait.
block.
Wait, At this point, I'm the director of this particular movie, and now because we not to get too much time for hand, by the time we go ask the lady in question now, who be the person where you feel say arrange every pass for the two men now. For the two of them now, but you know, this one come with his own skins on a rugged boy P with jeans and jeans. You understand? Then,
I feel hug the person where I want.
Yeah, you want to hug the person where you want. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, at this point, she go hug the person where she choose. Easy bit, put music on the background now. What's wrong with you? Because he mooded something now. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, she'll go hug the person now where she feels say be the person we don't try the most. All right, so let's see Hauwa. No, see who be the person where you go grip for onto the whole level. No, I don't join the whole market. Hey, okay. All right, so Hauwa, go and meet your person now.
3, 2,
2, 1, and.
I like muscles. I know they lie. I like muscles.
So what's in this one? They not get money, your DJ, they not get money.
All right.
DJ don't get money, oh.
All right. Ladies and
Can I go?
DJ they don't get money, oh.
Easy, but you get plan for this one, Abi. You get plan.
When they fry hair like this.
It don't rock about. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much all of you that will join us on top of the show. I want to say biggest thank you to Tuale for joining us on top of the show. And of course, CY to the richest poor man.
We not fit fight for woman.
All right, so thank you very much, everybody. DJ Easy Beats, thank you very much for owning the wheels of steel. And of course, jam us for Twitter at Late Night Show. Jam me for Twitter at Funny Ogbola for them. Make we relate on top every. From us here, now good night and God bless everybody. See you now tomorrow. Easy Beats.
We can go Monaco. I rock her body, give her Molando. She just a holla, she just scream up, we got